Hey guys, looking at the kitties. Come back, please. I love you. Come back. Oh, fine. Oh, there's Stripes, and there's Meowser. What are you playing with?
Eh?
Oh, you're playing with the old mouse.
Yeah,
There's Gary.
they've all been playing with it.
There's Gary. There's Kitty.
The calico was playing with it a minute ago.
Oh, yeah, you little cutie. Come here. Ugh. Mm. Oh my gosh, fine. Where's Socks? Wait, Miss Prego. Hey, Daddy, where's Socks at? Here, look at this, guys. I drew this. Well, this side's a painting right here. Or not a painting, but a photo, and this side I drew. Yeah. Where's Socks? Socks. Kitty. Meow. Kiki. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't see you there. You okay? Did I hurt you? I'm sorry if I hurt you. Fine, then. You just want to play, huh? Yeah. Dang it. Oh, it's strapping on my phone. Something, dude. Oh, you playing with my bike, eh? You liking my bike, kitties? I haven't rode it yet. I just got this brand new bike. I'm not fond of the pink, but I do like the blue. Blue is my favorite color. Oh my gosh. I'm walking out with no shoes on. I'm probably gonna step on the stone. Place is infested. That is infested with freaking flies. Boy kitty, girl kitty, and they're Socks. She's laying in the yard. Okay, this is gonna hurt, but it's worth it. Kitty, now. Okay, made it. Come here, Socks. Hi, honey. Hi, Prego. She's pregnant. My pregnant little kitty, and she's not even a year old. Her birthday's on the 4th of July, guys. I can't wait. What? Where you going? Preggy. I hope you have 5 kittens, and I hope they're calicos. I want a calico or a tabby cat out of you, kitty. There's the backyard. So big backyard. Oh, the kittens have followed me out. Goofies. Don't come over here. Socks will beat your butt. Oh no, Socks is already upset. I can already tell. Look at her. She doesn't like it. Be nice, Socks. Please. They're just babies. They don't know any better. They don't know what to do. They don't know any better, huh? Huh, Meal Stripes. What? Hey. Be nice. Look at me. Look at me.
Holy smoke, you got them all.
No, I don't. Stripes is back there. Or not Stripes, but Meowser.
This one's back here with the mouse.
Hey. Stop it. Look, Socks. Look at me.
Callie, where are you
Look
going?
at me. No.
His name?
Do you want me to grab him?
No, just go. Never mind, no, because she might stay for you. She takes off when I walk up to her.
I'll go grab her. Here, guys.
She was just playing the bushes over there.
I don't trust it. I don't want her to go farther. It's okay. Copper. Old dog. Best dog in the world. Kitty. Fine then, little rascal. I still got Mr. Stripes. Huh, Stripes. I still got you, and I still got my favorite kitty in the world. What did I scare her? I scared her. You're fine. Come here. Stop it, Prego. You act like you're gonna die. You could burst at any minute. Bye, Socks. I love you. There's the mommy of the kittens over there. Zoom in. Right about there. Focus. There we go. Come on, guys, let's colonnade over here. Including you, Patch. Patch, no. Patch, you're going near Copper's. Well, bye, kitties. Promise me you won't run away. Be good, kitties. Well, guys, I think that's going to be the vlog. I'm wearing the weirdest outfit I could wear today. Because I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. I'm amazingly different. Oh, stones! I'm stepping on stones. And it doesn't feel pretty. That's my own fault. Made it. Father.
What?
Hi. Can you,
What am I doing?
just hold the camera? Thank you. When you're done, press the red button. When I'm done saying this, press the red button. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.
Oh, okay.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below and hit the like button. And go ahead and check my cousin NellyTube's channel. Check my cousin NellyTube channel. And I do not know how to put links in the description below, so I'm sorry I can't do that. Just type in NellyTube and it will work. Bye, guys.